So guys, one day I was scrolling reels and I saw this spaghetti recipe. So let's make it. We have to take spaghetti, boil it in a hot water, add salt and vinegar, boil tomato, chop onion, peel off tomato, boil dry chili and grind them together. Chop garlic, chop green chili and add butter to saucepan. Add garlic, onion, chili, curry leaf, red chili sauce. Add tomato puree, add red chili powder, salt as per your taste, add mozzarella cheese. Your gravy is ready. So add spaghetti and mix well, and your spaghetti is ready.